Hello everyone, welcome to Most Cooking Corner. Today I'm going to show how to make a very special Rasmalai milk dumpling. So let's get into the video. I'm going to show how to make Rasmalai very easy and simple way. Let's start to make Rasmalai. So I got 1 liter milk here boiling, and I have one strainer and a very muslin cloth and half lemon. So here I got the white bit from the egg, so I take the I just take the yolk. I keep the yolk inside, take the white bit only. Half cup sugar, 80 gram milk powder, double cream, you can see double cream 300 ml, and evaporated milk 400 ml, and I have got 2 spoons of butter. So let's boil the milk first. Keep boiling for at least 10 minutes or slow cooking. Then I'm going to squeeze the lemon juice. Then you'll see make a cream fresh. Milk is almost boiled now, so after 10 minutes I got half lemon. So what I do is spread the juice on the milk. Look at this, it's making cream now. So it takes 2 minutes to become creamy. Then I'm going to use the strainer to take the cream out from the milk. See, sticky milk. So after 2 minutes, this is become like creamy, very creamy, like sana. So what I do, I'm going to rinse over there, take the water off, and take the full cream. So I just rinse the water, so it's become solid cream now. So I just wait for 2 minutes to cool down. Now the sana is done, the milk cream. I just take the water off. So what I do, I got one clean bowl. Here I got just gonna use the yellow part from the egg. So what I do, I got 80 gram milk powder. So I put on the bowl. And I just put some the white bit from the egg and mix it up. So though it's a bit sticky, what I do, I just spoon of ghee butter, so to make it more smooth. Mix it all together only. Just I'm going to add some just cardamom seed, so it's give more flavor. If you don't want, you don't have to use it. So see, my dough is ready now. The powdered milk, with powdered milk dough and fresh milk full cream, you can see it's becoming solid now. After take up the water, now we break it here, mix it together and make it very smooth and make it proper dough. Mash it for at least 10-15 minutes to make it very smooth and fine. Now to make a small ball, what I do, I just get some butter in my hand, so I make it roll like this, you can see, then press by both hands, so this is become like this. So I just get another plate to make all the rolls. So all the dumpling is done, so I just wait for the 10 minutes to settle down. So what I do, I get another 2 pan. This one, I get half cup water. That is already ready, and there is a half cup sugar. Boil it together. and the second pan is ready. So what I put the milk, the sweet milk, and the double cream. 300 ml double cream and 400 ml sweet cream milk, boiling together. Just going to add some cardamom, the milk, boil it for 5 minutes. This milk is ready. So what I do, milk and double cream, I will add 5 tablespoons of sugar. I mix it all together. And here I go half cup water, half cup sugar. What I do, I just boil this dumpling like that for 2 minutes to make it more solid. Those dumplings are boiled with the sugar water, half cup sugar and half cup water. Now I'm going to transfer it to the milk for another 2 minutes. Then it will be ready to serve. Just transfer all the milk dumpling into the double cream and the sweet milk. Keep it for 2 minutes. Should be ready. Once it's cooled down, it will be ready to serve. What I do, I just going to put some pistachio on top. Thank you. Here is very special Rasmalai ready with pistachio topping. So I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.